if you like to install Windows 11, Windows 10, or Windows 8, you can download from Microsoft's download website the installation files. Of course, you'll need some type of activation code to officially run it, but in the cases of Windows 10 and Windows 11, you can install it without a activation key code or whatever. So just wanted to mention this. This is where you can download Windows 8, 10, or 11. I'll show you when you click Windows 10. It takes you to this website, and you scroll down and you can download and run this Windows 10 Creation Media tool. And it says you can, from this, you can create a USB flash drive, DVD, or ISO file. Good to know, right? And so, caveat is, it's not possible on Windows 7. Short video, just wanted to show the official way that you can download the installation files for Windows 8, 10, or 11 from this URL over here. Hopefully they don't change it. Microsoft has a tendency to change websites or the web URL.